It has the form of functions of x, y equal to what? Equal to b as a function of x. Okay, that's a form of linear differential equation. Yeah, we can work on this by dividing the equation by this attachment to the first differential, and that will be equal to what? Y prime plus a naught as a function of x, b as a function of x all over a1 this. Okay, and you can now transform this one finally to this form, and that will be equal to y prime plus this fraction here. We can just call it p of x, y equal to what? And you can call this fraction here q of x. Okay, so this is a standard form. This is what? This is a standard form. This is a standard form of linear differential equation. So that's the standard form. And this y prime, we can also write it as what? The y. You can write it as the y dx. Okay, plus p of x y equals what? Q of x. So that's that on the form and the standard form for linear differential equation. And don't forget, this is what? This is first order differential equation. Why? Look at the derivative here. It's a first order. Yeah, it's a first order. The highest derivative here is what? Is 1. The order of this derivative is what? Is 1. That's a first differential. Okay. Then let's look at how can we solve linear differential equation. How? Okay. Okay. How to solve? How can we solve linear differential equation? Step one. Step one is to write either we write in what? In standard form. Write the question in what? In standard form, which is what? Which is y prime plus p of x y equal to what? Q of x. Okay. Then, and if you look at the standard form, you see that what you have here is the same thing all you have here. So it's linear, okay, in y. Okay, so step 2 is to get the integral factor. Get the integral factor. Get the integral factor. And the integral factor has a formula, which is this. It has a formula, which is e f of x p of x dx. Okay, that's the integral factor. Let me repeat that here. The integral factor has this formula. There's a symbol for integral factor equal to what? Exponential to the power of what? Integral p of x dx. So the question now is that what is what? What is p of x? What is p of x? What is p of x? Okay, p of x is for your standard form. Okay, and is the attachment to your what? The coefficient of your y here. So we'll call whatever you have there, which must be the functions of x. So we'll call the p of x. Okay, and then the final thing to do, the step 3, is to get the what? The solution of the differential equation. Get the solution of what? Of the differential equation. Of the differential equation. Okay, get the solution, and that will be the solution has a formula. It has a formula, and the formula is, since is linear in y, then your equation will be y equal to 1 over the integral factor. Then open your brackets, integral factor times q of x, which is this one, times q of x dx. Okay, then plus c. Then you close the brackets. So that's that on how to solve linear differential equation. So the next thing we want to do now is to look at questions so that we can enjoy this topic. Let's go straight to questions.